One shot, one kill. What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Today is another one of these days that isn't it wild? So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale. I'm back out here on the Drysdale Cove, out here trying to catch some of these evil but show enough tasty crappie. I thought I was gonna have that one on my live scope, but my helm didn't connect. So folks, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can put some fish in the boat. Still recovering from hip replacement surgery, but at least I can fish. And thanks everybody for, again, those well wishes and good thoughts and prayers for my speedy recovery. Let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. Go. She ain't gonna keep. You don't know how to get out yet. That last place with it at 826. Got that. Probably didn't need the netter, but I got the net right now. You know, since we're running the risk of losing them. It's a good, you know, it's a good fish. She ain't the biggest, but I think she gonna make 10 inches. I'm gonna change my color palette to the blue. Give me a little bit different return. in doubt, throw it out. Go on out here now. Get that's probably a 10.5-inch fish. Folks, it's a little bit nippy out here. More nippy out here than I thought it was gonna be. Go in the house and get my jacket. I'll be right back. Finally got him to come and get it. Chased these fish for a little bit, threw on them a whole bunch of times, and she finally came and got it. Here's what the difference is. If you look at how many times I had to throw at that fish, this is where those guys with them long poles have an advantage, or as opposed to casting. Again, I much rather cast just because I like to reel the fish in versus just flipping them up. That's all good, but I had to throw at this fish a whole bunch of times before she bit. But I got her. She's full of eggs too. As always, you know, these fish are gonna be full of eggs. There's 4 of those 13s in that bucket right there. Let's see if we can, oh, another thing, folks, here's what I'm using today. Today, I'm using citation crappie jigs. This is dang on this say, I'll put a link and it's in my description. Citation crappie jigs, Conley Stone. He's a member of my crappie club, and I'm even violating the rules. I caught this fish here on a monkey milk. I'm using a 1/32 ounce jig head, and that's because I'm in this shallow water. Normally I'll be using a 1/16 or 1/8, but that's going to require a lot more faster action. But I'm violating the rule because I'm using the light color in this muddy stained water. Most of the time they say use dark colors and stained water and light colors and high visibility clear water. So I'm breaking the rules. Just trying to catch a fish, man. That's all I'm trying to do. 1/32 ounce jig. This one is a citation crappie jig. Let me see if I can get me the next one. Didn't catch this one on live scope, but I got a good fish. Didn't get the live scope footage, but I got the fish. That's the important piece. That's another good fish. That's a good fish back here in Drysdale Cove. A little bit chilly, to put it on. A little bit warm, warming up, I'm taking it off. This one ain't on live scope, but it's another good fish. Come on, girl. Come on, come on. Oh, you shouldn't have both flipped them. But I got away with it. I got away with it. That's another good fish. I should go ahead and dump the bucket. I got my bucket getting full. She ain't the biggest. She gonna make it though. That's what I think. Hey, come here, girl. Ooh, you had no business boat flipping that fish, Chris. You had no business boat flipping that fish. But we did it. We got away with it. Whew. She's short of 2 pounds. Not as big as that, but a good fish. Let me get back here and count and see how many fish I got in this live well. I'm gonna be standing up having to clean all these fish off. I got 15. Let's check them out, folks. Let's go check them out. All right, I got 3 in the live well right now, and here are my buckets. We'll catch 4 more fish and I'm gonna go home. God dog it, that's the second fish they got off. That's 11 of them. Get you on in here. Got her that time. Got her that time. They ain't gonna make these last 4 easy to come by. That's 2 more I got to get. All right, folks, I am T.I. red. I'm tired. It's getting hot, and I'm not ready for the heat just yet. So I wasn't able to catch my last 4 fish that I had talked about. I caught 2 of them though. They just made me work for them. They made me work for them. So, as always, folks, I am going to thank you all for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves a comment, and everybody who hits that like button. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Dry sail out.